Once you have logged into Adobe Spark, you will notice a couple of items. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll notice the Spark logo. Clicking on that will bring you back to your home page. Next to that are projects. These are things that you've created, such as what you see down here in the lower portion. Next, you can add a brand if you have the paid version. And in the upper right-hand corner is information about your account. The area of the page that we will be focusing on is this blue button in the center at the top. When you click it, it allows you to create 3 new possible items. You have a post, which is a simple graphic. You have a page, which is a single web page, not a website. And you have a video, which, as the name implies, allows you to create simple videos. We're going to begin by working with page. So we select page, and when it opens, you'll notice you have a couple of options here. We're going to click to add a title, and we can also give it a subtitle. Down at the bottom, you'll notice this plus sign. When you click it, it allows you one option, and that's to add a background photo for your title. When I click there, I have a number of options that I can use. I can use images of my own by uploading them. I also have options of find free photos and Adobe stock. These 2 items allow you to go online and find royalty-free images. So I use these quite often. I'm going to go to find free photos, and I'm just going to type in a simple term and search. I kind of like this image right here, so I'm going to select it. It automatically puts it in as my header. Now you'll notice this new prompt down at the bottom. Scroll to start writing your story. As you scroll down, there's another plus. Adobe Spark Page works by giving you options that you can input within text, around text, and so forth using these pluses. When you hang over them, you'll notice you have a couple of options, each with distinct features. You have photo, text, button, video, photo grid, and glide show. We're going to begin by entering some simple text. So I'm going to click text. You'll notice that you automatically get some basic formatting options of things that you can do with text. H1 and H2 are headers, so I'm going to select an H1 for a large header. And I'm going to type in some information. I come down and I click the plus, and now I'm going to start putting the body of my content in here. Now that I've entered some text on my page, I want to discuss some of the formatting options. When you click inside of the text, you get the formatting dialog. The first section, H1 through numbered list, affect an entire text block, while the options in the middle item, bold, italicize, and hyperlink, can affect either an entire block or one piece of selected text. The next section deals with aligning your text. So if I was to come over here, here, or here. Now that we understand the basic formatting of text, let's take a quick look at themes. Themes affect the way your entire page looks. These are predefined. So when you click on a theme, it will automatically change and update the way that your page looks. There are lots of different options available to you. I invite you to explore them. Now that we've talked about the body of your page, let's look at how we can put some graphics in to add interest. You have 3 main ways you can do this. You can put a photo in, a photo grid, or a glide show. Clicking on any of these, and I will show you photo, you get the same dialogues. You can upload your own photos, or you can select from free items. I'm going to select this image right here. The default is an inline photo, so just like your text, you scroll top to bottom. There are additional features that you can explore for each photo as well. So I invite you to look those over. The difference between a photo grid and a glide show is that a grid allows you to select multiple items and add them in a grid-like format. A glide show, on the other hand, allows you to do the same feature, but once you've saved it, as you go through, the images scroll and fade from the background. I invite you to try each of the features this amazing free tool from Adobe allows you to use in your classroom with your students. Next stop, posts.